Hello students, now we will do Standard 6 Maths Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Explanation of Common Factors and Common Multiples. Now you all know what are factors, okay, and multiples also. So just we will revise them. Now take a number 8. Now what are the factors of 8? Now what do you mean by factors? 8 जिसके टेबल में आता है वो सब नंबर्स उसके फैक्टर्स है. ओके, नाउ 8 appears in the table of 1, in the table of 2, in the table of 4 and in the table of 8. Okay, so we say the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so this is about factors. Now multiples. Now what are multiples? Now we have seen 8. Now 8 appears in the table of 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we say 8 is the multiple of 1, 2, 4 and 8. They are opposite. दोनों opposite है, factors and multiple. 1, 2, 4, 8. They are factors of 8 and 8 is the multiple of all these numbers, right? Now we will move on to common factors. Now we will see two examples. Okay, now first one is factors of 4 and 18. Now I have found out the factors of 4. As you see, they are 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now you see numbers 1 and 2 are the factors of both 4 and 18. So we say 1 and 2 are common factors of 4 and 18. We will see one more example. Now here I have taken 3 numbers, 4, 12 and 16. So factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 12, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And factors of 16, they are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now here we see 1, 2 and 4. They are the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. 1, 2 and 4 तीनों के factors में आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? So we say they are common factors of 4, 12 and 16. Right? I hope it is clear. It is very easy. जो सब में आता है वो common रहेगा, ठीक है? Now we will see what are co-primes. Now we will see one example. Factors of 4 and 15. Now as we know, factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Now here we see the 4 and 15, they have only 1 as common factor. So we say two numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So remember it. Two numbers having only 1 as common factor. कोई दूसरा number common factor नहीं रहेगा. Only 1 रहेगा. तो we tell those two numbers as co-primes. Okay. Now we will move on to common multiples. Now I have explained you what are multiples. Now common multiples. We will take the example. Multiples of 4 and 6. I have written the multiples of 4. You can write the table 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, so on. And multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, okay, and so on. Now, which are the common multiples? Common मैंने बोला ना, दोनों में आएगा वो common रहेगा. Now, common multiples are 12, 24, 36. We find in both the list 4 और 6 दोनों की लिस्ट में हमें ये common मिल रहे हैं 12, 24, 36. Okay, so we say they are common multiples of 4 and 6. Now one more example we will see. Common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. Now multiples of 3. They are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. And multiples of 5, they are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Multiples of 6, they are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. Now, in this three list, we see common multiples of 3, 5, and 6 are 30, 60, etc. Now, as you know, multiples can be countless. Natural numbers are infinite. So, कौन से भी नंबर को अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, if you multiply any natural number, you will get the multiple. So, like natural numbers, multiples are also infinite. So, we are putting their dots, so on. इसके लिए मैंने बोला, ठीक है? And factors are limited, ठीक है ना? So, this is all about common factors and common multiples. Now, we will move on to exercise 3.4. Okay? Now, question 1. Find the common factors of a bit. We will do 20 and 28. Now, I have shown you the method of finding the factors. So, we will finish it quickly. Factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So, common factors that appear in both the lists, they are 1, 2 and 4. Now, one more example, one more sum I will solve for you, 56 and 120. Now, factors of 56, as you know, they are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. And factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 40, 60 and 120. Now, as you see, then common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So, in this way, you have to do the other sums I have given you in homework. Now, question 2. Find the common factors of. Now, 3 numbers are given here. One sum I will solve for you. 4, 8 and 12. Factors of 4, as you know, 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Question 3. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Now, you know how to find the multiples. Now, multiples are countless, infinite, okay? So, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 72, 78 and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88 and so on. So, now first 3 common multiples as you see in the list. The numbers which appear in both the lists, they are 24, 48 and 72. Okay. If you write the list again, more multiples if you write, you will get more common factors. Okay. Now write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. So you have to write common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. So they will be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Now all these numbers, they are multiples of 3 and 4 both. Okay. Now question 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? Now you know co-prime, they have only one as common factor. We'll see. A bit 18 and 35. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. So we see common factor is only 1. So they are co-primes. Now one more example we'll do. D. 17 and 68. Factors of 17 are 1 and 17. Factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. So common factors are 1 and 17. So they are more than 1. Common factors are more than 1. So they are not co-primes. Question 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. So, by which other number will that number be always divisible? Now we know 5 multiplied with 12 is 60. So, if a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then it will be divisible by 60 also. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? Now, as we know, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, the other numbers that will be divisible by 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. I I have solved some examples for you and the remaining sums are for your homework. So do the method correctly. I have shown you the working. So this will be your homework today. Thank you.